The Cooper & Hunter 30,000 BTU Ductless Mini Split Air Conditioner and Heat Pump is a powerful, high-efficiency climate solution built for year-round performance. I have provided the link to this air conditioner in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. Designed to serve both residential and light commercial environments, this system delivers robust temperature control in a sleek, ductless design. With a strong 22.3 CO2 energy rating, it ensures reliable operation while keeping energy bills in check. Whether you're looking to cool a large room or heat a space during the colder months, this unit's all-season versatility ensures consistent comfort regardless of outside conditions. This mini split system is equipped with a precharged 230V inverter condenser, paired with a wall-mounted air handler and a full 16-foot installation kit. Everything you need for professional setup: copper line set, communication cables, and drainage extension is included, ensuring a smooth and complete installation experience. The advanced inverter technology adjusts the compressor speed based on your needs, which not only boosts efficiency but also supports a quiet and seamless climate transition. Silent mode operation is particularly valuable for bedrooms, offices, or sound-sensitive areas where minimal noise is essential. Plus, with the SmartKit integration, you can control the unit remotely using a mobile app, an added convenience for those who value modern connectivity. Durability and reliability are core strengths of the Cooper & Hunter brand. This system is constructed to perform in extreme weather, with dependable heating capabilities even in low outdoor temperatures. The solid build quality and whisper-quiet operation make it ideal for garages, server rooms, retail environments, or any place where dependable performance is non-negotiable. With free US-based technical support and detailed guidance for professional installers, Cooper & Hunter ensures long-term value and peace of mind. This isn't a DIY-friendly system, so professional installation is required, but once in place, it delivers efficient, whisper-quiet, all-season climate control that's tough to beat.